Here's some good news if you are a fan of Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic family. What started with one product has turned into an entire family that uses Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic technology to keep your vehicle looking its best. For washing, Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Wash and Wax is a great way to remove loose contaminants safely while adding some SiO2 protection. In addition, it is a great choice for maintaining an already coated vehicle. Prior to applying any protection, you may need to remove any above surface contaminants or below surface defects, and this can be done with Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Quik Clay Kit and Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Pre-Wax Prep. These products will not only make your paint feel smooth, but will also remove any ultra-fine imperfections like light swirls on the paint. And of course, you'll want to follow with either Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Spray Wax or Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Liquid Wax for maximum protection and that extreme water beading effect. Once you have it looking good and well protected, Hybrid Ceramic Detailer is a great choice for those quick touch-ups. So there you have it, a full line of Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic products to keep your vehicle's paint looking its best.